Hey guys, my name is Javi Morata. I'm one of the two founders of the Lstnr app, and I just want to quickly introduce myself because this is the first video I do on YouTube. We have a lots of content in Dutch because I'm from Holland, half Dutch, half Spanish. But the most of the video content we brought out on Facebook and Instagram is in Dutch. So on YouTube, we're gonna speak to the English audience, so hopefully it will reach a lot of you guys and gals out there. But I want to talk about why I've decided to build an app like Lstnr. It's because for a few years, it's only a few years back, but I went through lots of feelings and periods of loneliness and depression, and I was always struggling in finding the right people to talk to. And I didn't want to feel like something was wrong with me, so I didn't want to talk to a therapist or something like that. So I just wanted to talk to the right people, just friends, family. But I was amazed in how difficult it is to talk to friends and family about the things that are deeply buried inside your head, especially when you talk about emotions, when you feel like crap. Mostly people who love you and your friends and family, they don't want to see you in pain. So the thing they do, and it's a automatic response for most of people, not for everybody, but what people tend to do in that scenario is they want to try to take your pain away. So they want to solve it as quickly as possible because they don't want to see you in pain. um, so I was struggling with that. I was struggling to talk to my family. Every time when I did that, I felt disappointed, and I felt even worse. I felt even worse, more like shit. And with friends too. Most of my friends were like, "Oh, let's grab a beer and let's talk about it." And you can't really talk about it because people tend to give you advice in what you should do from their perception of life in their life, and it's got nothing to do with your life. And the strange thing is, sometimes I ran into a person who was not a total stranger, but sometimes a person that I just met a few weeks earlier, and I felt safe enough to express myself about what the situation was. And out of that came really beautiful conversations. Because those people, because if they don't really know you that well, they tend to listen better to you because they want to get more information, and they don't judge you because they don't know you. So when people stop judging you and they listen to you and they ask more open questions, automatically it's a mirror for yourself. So you start digging deeper and deeper and deeper. And that mostly results in a feeling of ease, a feeling like, oh shit, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Yeah. So that's very important to have those conversations. But I couldn't really find that in that time. It took me a while. And now, in the last year, I've felt, yeah, I feel way more better than before. But I want to offer this for more people and easier to access. That's why we're building the Lstnr app. With the Lstnr app, it's possible to press one button and you get in a group with like-minded people who don't know each other, so it's anonymously. And personally, if they see your call and they accept your chat call, then they start chatting to you, and they will be guided in how to listen actively to you and guided by us inside the app, so that everybody can express themselves, so they can reach that deeper layer and express themselves fully. And on the other hand, if you help others, you can learn how to listen more actively. And when that happens, when people help each other, uh, you create more empathy. And our vision is, we think and we know and we feel that the world is more in need of empathy. So we feel it's obligated to us to contribute to that. And that's the reason why we are developing the app. Well, my name is Javier Morata. I didn't even say that in the start. My name is Javier Morata. I'm 37 years old at this moment, and I hope to see you guys, well, the comments of you guys on this video, and perhaps you could take use of our app in the future, because we want to help as many persons as possible, and we want to bring the world closer together. So it's already 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's too long for a YouTube video, I think, because my attention span is like this big. So, and you attract the people like you yourself are. So, for that reason, we're gonna stop the video right now. Hey, see you next time, guys and gals.